The line of people waiting to get inside this food pantry on the Grand Concourse wraps around the block. The number of people coming here for help has tripled during the pandemic, and it's getting harder to meet the growing demand.
We don't have, a lot of resources, so the pantry is helping us a lot.
Julie Spitzer manages the pantry for BronxWorks, a community-based organization. But even as demand for food surges, she says pantries like this one are struggling too. Private donations have fallen off, and many volunteers are staying away because they fear getting sick. So staff members are coming in on their days off to pitch in, and some clients are now helping too. They know the community needs them, but they're afraid.
We're here to feed everyone, but we also put ourselves at risk because we don't have proper equipment, or as you call it, PPE devices to protect ourselves.
4 BronxWorks staff members tested positive for COVID-19. The pantry gets some funding for food from the city, but the organization doesn't have enough money to buy all the safety gear they need. Each staffer gets 1 mask, and they have to make it last.
And it's not safe because I think our staff are reusing the same mask over and over and over again, and we've had people become infected because of that.
On Wednesday, Mayor de Blasio announced more aid to help feed struggling New Yorkers, including $25 million for pantries facing a huge surge in demand as New Yorkers lose their jobs. New York One asked for a comment from the mayor's food czar, Catherine Garcia, and a City Hall spokeswoman replied, quote, "We will reach out to BronxWorks to ensure we can support them as they continue to serve their community during this crisis." BronxWorks says it needs all the help it can get.
We're frontline people as well. We're providing a lot of services, putting ourselves at risk throughout this pandemic.
In the Bronx, Amy Yensi, New York One.